So what's kinematics? In a sense, it's everything that has to do with an object in motion. It's a fascinating topic which allows us to calculate the velocity of this cannon precisely during the moment it hits this unsuspecting passerby. Sounds cool, right? Let's get into it. This lesson, we will recap scalar and vector quantities. To start, what's the difference between distance and displacement? Here's a visualization. Pictured in this map is Remy's road to school, which is right about 2 kilometers. This represents the distance between Remy's house and UDS and indicates how much ground an object has covered during its motion. It is a scalar measurement. Remy's twin sister, Ame, is an anarchist on the roads. Ame's road to school is a minimum distance between her house and UDS. This path represents displacement, which is a vector measurement. For a quick recap, scalars only have magnitude, and vectors have magnitude and direction. What's next? Speed and velocity. So speed is defined as distance traveled on the journey divided by the time taken for the journey. Units can be meters per second, kilometers per hour, etc. On the other hand, velocity is the vector equivalent of speed. It is, you guessed it, displacement of the journey over time taken. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. It's a change in velocity divided by the change in time. For example, Remy, being a decent person with common sense, decelerates her bike when she sees someone blocking her way. Her initial velocity was 3 meters per second, and her final velocity is 0.25 meters per second. Her reaction time and stopping time combined is 0.5 seconds. What is her deceleration in meters per second? Stop this video and try it out. To get the change in velocity, we minus the initial velocity and the final velocity, which gives us 3 minus 0.25 equals 2.75 meters per second. We then simply divide this number by the time taken, which is 0.5 seconds. This means her deceleration is 5.5 meters per second squared. Easy! So that's it for the introduction. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.